loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Wanjiku. Today's on a beautiful Wednesday. Naenda photo shoot. I'm already set to go. So let me show you. Kila kitu yenye navaa ziko hapa. So I'll change into 3 outfits. Ziko hapa, the dress, short na trouser. But yeah. So I also repainted my table. I think nilikuwa nimewambia in the last video. Let me show you. Table. I'm waiting for it to dry up. But nitaingisha majioni so sai. So yeah. Then my kitchen, it's clean. My kitchen is clean by the only thing that I haven't washed ni sufuria na nimetoka kutumia sai. Otherwise kila kitu ko safi, but it's in a mess. So let's get going. Good morning. It's the next day. So nimepanguza my kitchen table and also I've cleaned my utensils zile zenye zilikuwa chafu. So let me just show you venye kunaka. This is how I've been trying to manage my kitchen, but let's return the table. Yeah, cause nimeshaipanguza iko nje na kauka poa. So just want to remove each and everything yenye iko hapa. I wipe this place, then I put it back ndo nirudisha everything kwenye iko. Today's shoot was a success. Maua nazo. I wish ningekuwa tu na vase ile ya kuweka maji. Ningezieka. I wish. From now on I'll be getting myself flowers. I just felt nice buying myself these flowers. Even though they were for photo shoot, nilifeel too poor. Like, I felt I deserve it. And this is how I should be appreciating myself. I'll be getting myself cute things. So yeah. But they look so good and they are so fresh by the way. So yeah, let's clean it up. My house is so good. nimerudisha my kitchen table. That's how it looks like. You see? Yeah. It's so beautiful right now. That's how my kitchen area looks like. So let me clean the whole house. Yeah. Acha nioshe nyumba yote, but everything is good. My seat is arranged, my bed, I've made my bed. So that's all. Guys, just look at my TV stand. Look at my TV area. Hey, you can't tell me I don't have a beautiful house. You can't. Even though I'm in a single room, you can't tell me otherwise. So I'm making a new vase, a glass. This one was gifted by my friend. She's also a subscriber. Najua ta watch it. Thank you so much. But it looks so beautiful. Ebu nini. So kuna kitu yenye nimeambiwa ni buy, then I put it in water ndo huwa inafanya ina last for like 1 week. I'm going to buy that one. But I'm thinking of bringing a new vase cause nimepata place wenye wanakata hizo chupa to vases and also to whiskey glass. So I'm thinking of starting first with a vase, then to whiskey glass for my friends who love drinking. But yo, look at my TV area. I love my house. Napenda nyumba yangu. I love my house. Aki.